Welcome to Baliem Valley Best Hiking and Trekking and Dani Culture Tours. Baliem Valley is home of Dani people living behind green beautiful mountains in Papua. Their lifestyle hasn't changed for centuries, which offer tourists with a glimpse of the primitive way of life. It's captivating to watch the daily activities of this friendly, simple people, learn about their traditions and beliefs, and to mingle with them. The experience is memorable. Our program will allow you to discover and enjoy all the beauties of the stunning Baliem Valley. Bridge over the raging Baliem, beside which is a small memorial to a Japanese tourist and his Dani guide who drowned and get died. Hiking to visit salt water wells in Hills Rainforest, north of Guamina. Hawk Fighting Group.